learn about animals. Animals are very useful for us. Animals gives us milk, leather. Animals are very important for human beings. Now we learn a rhyme. Students, now see the name of animals and read. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey lives in jungle. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. L-I-O-N, lion. F-O-X, fox. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. Students, which animal is called the king of jungle? Lion. Lion is called the king of jungle. Now, I can write J. Name the picture and characterize by writing J. Name the picture. See, jungle. What is this? Jungle. The other name of jungle is forest. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. Practice by tracing, then writing. Write letter J. Okay. Now see on this page, create the face of a lion. Students, take one drawing sheet and draw a face of a lion. The face of a lion and paste here. Students, animals and their shadows. We are watching the shadows of some animals here. Paste the correct animal sticker on their shadows. See, which animal is this? Elephant. So paste the sticker of animal here. Now see, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Yes. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. C, fox, F-O-X, fox. Paste the sticker. Name the picture and practice by writing letter X, F-O-X, fox. Trace letter X, then write in proper lines. Students, I can write Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Trace letter Z and then write. Now color the heaviest animals. Yes, which is the big land animal on the earth? Elephant. Yes. Now see here, which animal is biggest? Elephant. And heaviest? Elephant. Heavy means bhara. Now color the elephant. What is the color of an elephant? Grey. So students, now learn a rhyme.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some ducklings, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a beep beep here and a beep beep there, here a beep, everywhere beep beep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some calves, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some kittens, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a mew mew there, here a mew, everywhere mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Learn this rhyme. Now, my friends on the farm. Some animals helps us in our farms in fields, like C-O-W, cow. Cow lives in a barn, B-A-R-N, barn. And its baby, C-A-L-F, calf. The baby of cow is called calf. Now see HORSE, horse. Horse is very useful in our field works. Its baby is called COLT, colt, and horse lives in a stable, STABLE, stable. See DOG, dog, dog. Guard our house at night, and its baby is called pup, PUP, pup. Dog lives in a kennel, KENNEL, kennel. Hen, HEN, hen. Hen gives us eggs, and its baby is called chick, CHICK, chick. Hen lives in a coop, COOP, coop. Hanji, which animals gives us milk? Cow, buffaloes, and goat. Students, match. I know where they live. Take the animals to their homes. Like stable, STABLE, stable. Who lives in a stable? Horse, HORSE, horse. And horse? Like horse. Lives in a stable. Next, BARN, barn. Who lives in barn? Cow. So take the cow in barn. Clear? Next is coop, COOP, coop. Who lives in a coop? Hen. Next is kennel, KENNEL, kennel. Who lives in kennel? Dog. So take the dog in the kennel. Yes. Now it's clear? Okay, students. Have a nice day. Thank you.